5x squared, then plus 8x plus minus 4. So this is a kind of polynomial equation which you have been given. So, and we are told at x it is equals to 1. So how do we find the equation of the tangent to the curve when you have been given for x? So what you do, you must find the gradient. So how do we find the gradient from this polynomial equation? First of all, you differentiate. So we are going to say y prime, which should be equals to, when you differentiate, x cubed, 3 times 1, you're going to have 3. Then here, where is 3, you subtract 1, that's why we have 2. Then minus 2 times 5, which is 10. Then from 2, you subtract 2, 1, you remain with the x. Then here, the same thing here, we have power 1 times 8, which is plus 8, then minus 1. We're going to have x power 0. So here x will disappear, and this 4 here will not be included. So now we are going to plug in this one which we have here. So y prime should be equals to 3 open bracket 1 squared minus 10 open bracket 1 plus 8. 1 squared we are going to have 3 open bracket 1 squared, it is 1, then minus 10 times 1, which is 10, plus 8. So here we have 3 minus 10 plus 8. So in which our gradient, it will be 3 minus 10, you're going to have minus 7 plus 8, in which y prime as a gradient to be equals to 1. So this is our gradient here. So our gradient, it is 1. So this is our gradient 1. So since we found the gradient, so now we have to find, so we have to find this coordinate of x and y. So for x we already have 1 here, so we remain with the for y. Okay, so how do we find the value for y? So what you do, since I've already shown you how to find the gradient, you plug in this one into original polynomial equation. So we're going to say y equals to 1 cubed minus 5 1 squared and plus 8 minus 4. Then 1 cubed, it is 1 minus 5 times 1, we're going to have 5 plus 8 minus 4, in which 1 minus 5, you're going to have minus 4. Then 8 minus 4, you're going to have plus 4 here. So that means our y to be equals to 0. So this is our value for y. So now, since we have found the value of gradients and these two coordinates, so now we can find the equation. So we are going to say y minus y1 should be equals to m open bracket x minus x1 close bracket. Then now you substitute. Where there's y, here we have y minus, where there's y1, we have 0 equals to our gradient, it is 1 here. Then open bracket x, remember that we have 1, or this x, it will remain as x, minus x1, it is 1. So here we have 1, in which here you remain with the y equals to 1 times x, you're going to have x, minus 1 times minus 1, you're going to have 1. So this is the equation which they were looking for. Okay, this is where we end. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. see you next time. Bye bye.